Good afternoon. I'm Gazali Issah, a PhD candidate in the Department of Soil Science at the University of Saskatchewan. I'm here to present a project looking at lowering greenhouse gas emission footprint in pasture systems using Issah and standpoint in place of alfalfa. The figure here shows typical interactions in pasture systems. We have carbon dioxide and methane from the animals. We have carbon dioxide and nitrous gas from the soil, and these two constitute output from the system. We have dung and urine into the system, and we have residue deposition, which is rich in carbon and nitrogen from the pasture resources into the system. These two also contribute or constitute input into the system and contribute to soil organic matter formation. Feeding is a third of total cost of production for cow-calf operations, and grazing offers cheaper source of feeding for cow-calf operators. However, overgrazing in pasture resources leads to degradation. And in the past, alfalfa has been used as a preferred legume species in rejuvenating degraded pastures. However, its protein resources has not been fully utilized due to the incidence of faulty blood. So in 2015, through the Agricultural Greenhouse Program, a funding was secured through the federal government to try and find alternatives to improving forage quality and reducing greenhouse gas footprint. So in essence, how to replace alfalfa with Issah and standpoint. So a series of projects were conducted involving animal scientists, microbiologists, and soil scientists. At the end of the study, both under greenhouse condition and in the field, we realized replacing alfalfa with Issah and standpoint will not adversely affect pasture productivity, but it will rather improve forage quality and reduce general greenhouse gas emission footprint.
The benefit for the producer in terms of better energy available to that animal. That methane is it's expensive for that animal to emit, and so when we can have animals that are able to lower their methane production, there's a possibility that they would have more energy for themselves in terms of growth and production, as well as the environmental impact and the benefit to that. Findings from the study show that rejuvenating and using non-bloat legumes in a rejuvenation strategy for some of those old and tired pasture stands can lead to a bump in yield, bump in forage growth, better quality, and of course that's all going to impact that producer's bottom line and hopefully some higher gains on those animals.